Hello and a very big warm welcome back to the channel. Today I'm showing you how you can delete all of your ChatGPT chats ever at once to essentially clear your search history. So first things first, log on to ChatGPT and click the little logo to open up the sidebar. For example, when it's closed it's like this, logo opens it up. And then I want to scroll down to the very bottom and there's going to be your account right there. Select that and then select settings. Now the settings window is going to open up in the middle, and what we want to select is data controls in the middle. Those data controls bring up the location. You can make sure that's on or off depending on your preference. You can archive all the chats, which just hides them. You can get them back, but one important button, delete all chats. If you would like to delete every chat ever with ChatGPT, you can select delete all from that button right there, and it will essentially reset all that history with ChatGPT from your chats, and it will look like a blank canvas indeed. So I hope that this has helped you out. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe and like down below.